Do you want to know how to write winning content for your website? Do you want to know why keywords are important for your content? In this video, we're going to talk about how we will deliver a winning content strategy for your website through the use of keywords. Hi everyone, I'm Chris Bindley and I'm the founder of Straight Up Digital. We're a local marketing company based on the Gold Coast, and in the previous videos we talked about keyword strategy, on-page content, link building and reporting, and today we're going to drill in more detail around how we deliver a winning content strategy for your website. Let's decide on a keyword theme or a website theme. It's important to have an overall theme because if you don't, the website will look a little bit disconnected. So first things first, decide on a theme. And then secondly, we want to look at the keywords which will support this theme. So there's a really cool tool from UberSuggest. It's a tool from Neil Patel that will allow you to have a look at keyword phrases. This is the foundation of how the search engines work. They look for keyword phrases in a piece of content, so it's important you focus on them. With the UberSuggest tool, you can have a look at things like how much monthly traffic there is for a phrase. And secondly, you can have a look at how hard it will be to rank for a phrase. So once you start to work out which keywords form the foundation of your website's content theme, it's then important to look at how often you're going to use them. So one of the common mistakes we see with website owners is they tend to spam their content and continually write keywords in and out of context and too many times. So we've set some very basic rules when you're looking at the theming on your website with your use of keywords. Number one is no greater than 2% keyword density. And what we mean by that is having really no greater than 2 times every 100 words of content you using your keyword phrases. Number 2, we want to look at context. So if you're using it out of context and the sentence doesn't read normally, the search engines will pick up on this. So just use it where it's appropriate in the context. The third point is to use the keyword phrase or keyword phrases in your first sentence if possible. The overarching behind all of this is that context rule. If it doesn't sound natural for the search engines, it's going to be read as spam content. So when you're looking at your content strategy, only use it if it's actually in context. Otherwise, disregard. It definitely reads better, and overall, the search engines will give you a better weighting. And the final point is metadata. Now, these are the quick reference areas that the search engines use to understand more about your content without having to read the whole lot. So areas such as the title tag, your alt tags, and even your heading tags are quick reference points for the search engines, and so they should be used in context. We will go into that in greater detail in another video. If you'd like to check out the UberSuggest tool, we've left a link in the description below. If you enjoy this video, please give us a like. And if you have any questions about SEO, leave them in the comments sections below. Also, please subscribe to our channel for further hints and tips on how you can improve your online marketing presence.